Hey YouTube, MadCast817 here today, and I have some airsoft footage from October 31st, 2015. Just a little channel update. Sorry for not uploading as many videos, but my schedule is very busy and I rarely get the opportunity to go out and play anymore. However, when I do get a chance to airsoft, I will make sure that I record and upload it for you to watch. In addition, I am considering doing reviews on small airsoft items and accessories from time to time.
And one straight across directly. Tell me when you're ready. Ready?
So we will start the commentary here. This game on main field is combined with two maps which include Lunar Wars and Forbidden City. One team will start off at Forbidden City and the other will start at Lunar Wars. It is a team deathmatch style game with unlimited respawns. The only rule is that one team cannot cross into the other map for the first several minutes of the game. At the beginning of this round, my team starts on Lunar Wars. I move up via the maze and reach the border of the two maps. I plan to hold that area down until we are able to move into the other map.
On the other map, they're not allowed to cross. Where?
Right here. If you peek out like this, you can see them right there.
Oh, crap.
I start to eliminate enemies on the other field who are also on the border between the two fields.
You want me to get him?
The other team is hiding behind the pillars on Forbidden City, behind the tunnels, or behind random cover.
Hey, I got him! Hey, I got him! Oh, I got him out, I got him out. Oh, crap, another one. Alright, I got one. I got a guy trying to push up. He's out. Wait, is that it? Nope. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Two guys behind the pillar. Two guys behind the pillar. He's shooting BBs. I can see the BBs. Don't peek out.
Even though both teams were allowed to push into each other's territory, I decided that I would remain in the maze and pick off anyone trying to move up, since both sides are not making any progress trying to push. Eventually, I get out 1 minute before the game ends.
Hit!
In the next round, both teams switched sides and my team started on Forbidden City. I pushed through the maze and ended up on the other side. I would remain there picking off anyone I see until I am allowed to push into the opposing team's territory.
Hey, behind that container. There's one behind the container is yours. He's just fled, but might be coming back. Behind the container door, behind the container door.
After some time, my friends and I gathered a small group of people to push. During the push, I tripped and fell for the second time during all the times I played on Mainfield. My friends got a good laugh at it. I tripped on a small mound or incline that I could not see from my perspective. It looked flat and it was all dirt. Always make sure to watch where you are going.
I'm fine! I'm fine! Let's go! Let's go! Oh crap, that was funny. Yep, I'll be fine. Did you trip on? Some mound. Okay, my gun still works, that's good. I'm pretty sure I got that guy. Ah. I'm pretty sure I got the guy behind the container. There was a guy behind the container. I think I hit him a couple times, but okay. Oh, hit.
For the next game, I am playing on Mad Max. The game mode we are playing is called Assassin. The assassin in this game is one of my friends. In this game mode, the assassin is on no one's team, and he or she is only armed with a melee weapon. No one can shoot the assassin, and the main goal is for the assassin to get as many people out. The assassin may only walk and lunge at most. This game mode is to encourage pushing up and make the game a tad bit more interesting.
Where are they?
The rest of the footage here contains combat center clips. These clips are straightforward clips and do not require any commentary. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
Alright. Didn't see it. Okay, done. There. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, my bad.
He's out. He's not building.